In this video, we will learn how to insert text box in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the drawing. Here you can see the text box. Just click on that and drag here. Now you can write here your text. I already copied this statement. I want to change the font. Font size. Okay. Now you can color your box. You can change the text font also here available, the different fonts. Every option of editing is available here. You can edit as per your requirement. That's it. I done it. Now just save and close it. That's it. You can see here the text box is ready. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.